How to create a basic form using Formplus. First, log into your Formplus account. At your dashboard, click on Forms and select Create Form, which takes you to the Form Builder. The Form Builder is where you get to add the fields you would like to have on your form. Click on the basic field and pick the options you want. Remember that you can always edit the fields you add to your forms, such as making a field a required option that your respondent has to fill. For the checkbox option, you can upload a list of options, assign a value to each option, add rules to your field options, or validate the number of submissions from each respondent. After you have built your form and you have clicked on Save, it's time to customize how you would like your form to look. Click on Customize. This is where you can select the themes and layout, change the background, and add your logo, choose your form styles, edit the buttons and add a custom CSS if you have one. After you are done customizing your form, you can click on the Preview Form to get a view of what your form would look like. After previewing your form, click on Next. This will take you to Settings. This is where you get to pick where your responses would be stored. It's up to you to pick if your files would be stored in either Google Drive, Formplus, Microsoft Drive, Dropbox, or if you want your responses would be stored in either Formplus or Google Sheets. You can also select your preferred time zone, make your form private, and collect location data for each submission. When you are done, click on Next and you get to share, where you can choose from a list of sharing options. When you are done, click on Next and your form is ready to be shared. All you have to do is wait for your response and analyze the data.